guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making homemade ice cream, and the first thing I'm going to be doing is assembling my ice cream maker. So I have my base here, and this goes in the base. We're going to put that down like that. I'm going to put my paddle into the top. You're going to just screw it in. Okay, that's assembled. And I have my bowl that's been chilling for about maybe 24 hours or so. So I'm gonna place that down in here. I'm gonna put my top part on and snap. Alright, now that I have my ice cream maker assembled, I'm going to start on my ingredients. So today I'm going to be using heavy whipping cream, condensed, sweetened condensed milk. Going to be using whole milk and vanilla. So I'm going to portion out each one. I'm going to use about let's see, a cup of heavy whipping cream, that's about a cup. And before I pour it into the ice cream maker, I'm going to mix it in this pitcher. You can use a bowl too, whatever fits, to make it easy for you. Okay. I'm going to pour my condensed milk. I'm going to use the whole can. Alright, now we're going to pour our milk. I'm going to use about 2 cups of milk. That's 2 cups. Then I'm going to pour some vanilla. I'm going to mix everything up. It smells good. Now that I got my mixture ready, I got my ice cream maker ready, I'm gonna plug in the ice cream maker. You want to make sure it's plugged in first. Then I'm gonna turn it on. set my timer for at least 25 minutes. Now I'm going to open up the lid and I'm going to pour my ice cream mixture. I'm gonna let it do its thing. Okay guys, so I let my ice cream sit in the freezer for a while to set up. So this is the consistency of the ice cream. You see, just like ice cream out the store. And this is how it's scooped out. Look at that. Isn't it pretty? So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to dress it up. Okay you guys, this is the finished product. We have ice cream, homemade ice cream with some bananas and walnuts with a little bit of mint in the middle. So these are simple ingredients you can use to make homemade ice cream. So I hope you liked the video for today, and hopefully you'll stop by next time for another recipe. And I thank you again, and come again. Peace out. Blessings to you.